Okay, this is what I'm good at. Playing video games. It's what I do. It's literally the main thing that I do. Play a game like this, there's gonna be levels. In order to finish the game, you gotta complete all the levels. The levels are gonna get harder as we go along. We complete the levels.
Spencer, do you even know where we're going?
Kinda.
Kind of? Oh, that's good then. We're in good hands.
Okay. The missing piece, I'm guessing.
Oh my God, that must be what we're looking for, the missing piece of the map.
But the problem is, there's nothing here.
What do you mean there's nothing there? It's a map, just like I said. It's a map of Jumanji.
Cartography.
What's that?
The study of maps. It was one of Professor Oberon's skills.
Yes, that's right.
Oh, so you can't see this, but I can?
The characters we chose, we all have certain skills. So there's gotta be a way to access our... Oh!
What'd you just do?
Strengths. Fearless. Climbing. Speed. Boomerang. Smoldering intensity.
What the hell are you doing?
What just happened?
You just smoldered.
Weakness. None?
How'd you do that? That list?
Well, I think I just pressed my enormous left pec.
Yeah, it's like the boob area. Let me show you.
Get the hell away from me.
At least press it in front of us so we know exactly how to...
Strengths, karate, tai chi, aikido, dance fighting. Dance fighting? Is it even a thing? Weakness, venom.
Seriously. Paleontology, what does that even mean?
Study of fossils, I think. That's kind of cool.
Says the gorgeous karate badass to the old fossil guy who doesn't have any endurance.
I hate this game.
Weakness, cake.
Yes, cake is my weakness, along with speed and strength.
Huh.
Strength is my weakness. Hey, quick question. How is strength my weakness? Somebody explain that to me. And why would I need speed? Why would I need to be fast when I'm being chased by an enormous killer zebra or some shit in this dumbass hat?
You're also a good weapons valet.
What does that mean?
Well, I think it means you carry my weapons in your backpack and you give them to me when and if I need them.
You guys, the map, it's changing.
What do you mean?
What's it say?
Okay, well, there's not a lot of information, but a minute ago, it didn't say this, and now it does. It says, the mighty roar.
I don't like that. I'm done.
What else?
Okay, and right here, it says, from the deep.
The hippo came from the deep. The one that...
Yes, the thing that did the thing. That's it. Moving on.
So if from the deep is the first level, then the mighty roar must be the second level. Which way?
Okay. If that is that, then that is here. Right here, I think.
What is this game?
Run! Wait! guys have huge guns.
Oh, really? Is that what those are, Spencer?
Let me see your backpack.
What?
Inside your backpack, you have my weapons. Oh,
Huh. Got your weapons. Feel no. What's this?
oh, yes. Boomerang. It's one of my strengths.
What are you gonna do with it?
I don't know. Kill him, I guess.
You gonna kill him with that?
You got a better idea? Oh, shoot. Watch this.
Nice work. You want me to reach in here and see if I got a hacky sack for you to throw and do absolutely nothing with? Oh, oh no.
It worked! Here they come. We gotta go.
I can't outrun those guys.
We gotta go now. Get on my back.
What? I would rather die.
Jump on my back.
Nope, I'm gonna die. Put me down! Spencer! Put me down! You have got to be kidding me! Oh, no.
We have to jump?
Are you out of your mind?
I would literally rather do anything else right now but that.
We gotta jump!
We don't even know how deep that water is.
We gotta go!
No,
Spencer, you're gonna jump!
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. JoBlo remains an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.